we are going to determine distance between 2 points on a Cartesian plane. Macam mana kita nak menentukan jarak antara satah katas ni, dua satah katas ni. Macam mana kita nak tentukan jarak dia? Kita gunakan right angle triangle representation method to determine distance between 2 points on Cartesian plane. Kita gunakan segitiga bersudut tegak. Okay, right angle dia mesti sudut tegak. Kita gunakan method ni untuk representation dia sebagai mewakili Cartesian plane tadi. Okay, satah katas ni tadi. Okay, how? This method you have to identify the horizontal distance and the vertical distance of 2 points in Cartesian plane. Kita tentukan jarak paksi X, horizontal distance tu mewakili paksi X dan vertical distance tu mewakili paksi Y. Okay. Kita tengok apa maksud ayat yang 3 yang warna pink ni. Okay. Okay, this is some diagram. Okay, you look at the diagram. There are futsal, mosque, house, school and shop. Okay. Now, this Azri's destination. Okay, from school to house. Azri wants to move from school to house. Okay, school, kalau kamu lihat school here, this is a school. This is a school. Okay, from this school to house. Okay, kita kan tadi in the sentence previously mentioned we use right angle, triangle, method kan. Kita gunakan kaedah represent using segitiga bersudut tegak. Okay, jadi macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, ini ialah paksi Y tu. This is X, Y axis. The blue one is Y axis. Okay, the blue one that appear is a Y axis. And this one is vertical distance. This is the vertical distance. For Y axis, we call it the vertical distance. And this one, okay, this one is X axis. Okay, we call it horizontal distance. Horizontal X, vertical Y. Okay, so we represent it in right angle, triangle. Okay, dalam bentuk segitiga bersudut tegak tu. Okay, jadi kita boleh dapatkan horizontal distance dan vertical distance dia. Okay, so this right angle triangle will move to here. Okay, okay, I move it there, and we need to find the horizontal distance. How to find the horizontal distance? We just need to count how many steps from here. Macam lagu rap tadi lah. How many? We need to shuffle how many steps tu kan. Okay, so kita kena count how many steps. Okay, sini ada 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. So dah ada 4 unit di situ, 4 step. Kan dalam ni ada kotak-kotak kecil, so ada 4 unit. 4 unit ini mewakili 4 langkah lah. Okay, so the horizontal distance will be 4. Okay, and vertical distance here 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 unit. Jadi kita pilihkan saja horizontal distance is 4 km, vertical distance dia 3 km, 3 km. So total distance travel which is horizontal distance plus vertical distance. Okay, 4 plus 3 it will be 7 km. Okay, this is the total distance travel from school to house. Do you have any question?
No, teacher, clear.
No, teacher, no, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay, okay, let's proceed. Okay, so I move it there, the first example. Now let's do together. The distance, if Azri wants to go from his house to futsal field, which is, where is the futsal field? Or futsal court here. This is the futsal court. Okay, this one. So, ini futsal court. Okay, how we determine the distance between his house here to futsal court. So we represent it using right angle triangle method. Okay, we represent right angle triangle method. What do? We draw a right angle triangle there. Okay, itu saja, senang saja. Kita lukis saja right angle triangle and then we count the distance for horizontal, okay, horizontal distance, and we count the vertical distance as well.
8 kilometer.
Total 8. Are you sure? Okay. Let's look at the horizontal distance. What is the horizontal distance?
4 kilometer.
4 teacher.
Yes. Okay, it is 4 step lah. Kalau kita tengok sini, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 step. So, 4 kilometer. It represent 4 kilometer. 4 unit there represent 4 kilometer. Itu dalam skala lah, scale. Okay. Yes, so horizontal distance is 4. How about the vertical distance? Vertical distance.
4 also.
Also?
4 also teacher.
Oh,
Also
also 4. Itu juga 4. Kita tengok. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, also 4. So we write down the vertical distance as 4. So total distance travel, we just add the vertical distance with horizontal. We just add the horizontal distance with the vertical distance. 4 plus 4, it is 8 kilometer. So just now, whose answer just now? Tamil, is it? Is it right? Tamil and Shah Ismail, correct. So it is 8 kilometer. Okay, very good. Let's move to next. Okay, next distance. Apa kita nak tengok seterusnya? Okay, next is from Moss. Okay, this is Moss on the top right here. Is Moss to shop, to this shop. Okay, you look at the dot there. Okay, dan sini ada dot, sini ada dot. So kita kena buat right angle triangle from the dot lah. Okay, we draw a right angle triangle. Okay, so now we calculate the horizontal distance. Okay, that is the represented right angle triangle, and then we calculate the horizontal distance, which is 2 kilometer and 6 kilometer. Macam mana dapat tu? Sini tu 1, 2. Okay, macam mana dapat 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So senang saja, total distance will be 2 plus 6, which is 8 kilometer as well. Ini senang kan kalau kita nak tentukan distance between two cartesian plane. Senang saja. Alright. Do you have any question? Ada soalan?
Tak ada cikgu.
Okay. Faham ya? Okay, kita teruskan. Okay, look at example 1. The question is to determine the distance between 2 points in following cartesian plane. Okay, macam mana kita nak determine? Dia bagi ni lah, dia bagi graph ni. Okay, DA. Okay, now we need to determine distance between 2 points from A to B. Okay. What is the distance between A to B? The scale unit is 1 unit lah. Distance of AB will be 6 times 1. Why 6? Why 6? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the distance will be 6 units. Senang saja. Next, kita tengok diagram berikutnya. Okay, dia bagi scales kat situ. The scale unit of x-axis is 5 units and y-axis is 2 units. So you need to look at the scale. Kena tengok skala. Kalau kita nak tentukan distance, we always have to look at what scale given to us. Kalau macam tadi 1 unit saja senang. 6 kali 1. But this time x-axis 5 unit, y-axis 2 unit. Different for x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so you have to be careful. Okay, so This one, the distance between P and Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it mentioned there, x-axis is 5 units. So kita kena kira 6 times 5. Cik Ismail, what is that? 128077 tu apa?
Teacher means must count the boxes and then times with the unit lah.
Yes. Time with what scale it gives to us. Dia bagi itu skala unit dia 5. So satu unit tu mewakili 5 yang keadaan sebenar.
So wait, why 6 times 5?
Itu kita panggil skala. Bukan dalam question ni dia mention. In this question, scale unit. The scale unit on x-axis is 5 units. Jadi satu unit ni, satu unit sini untuk axis x ni, satu unit ni satu unit kan.
Oh.
Satu unit
One
ni
unit
ialah
is
5 unit. Ya. Yeah. In real.
So 1 unit is 5 unit.
To use this unit to refer to the scale given in the question. What scale
Mereka
given?
yang bagi skala dengan 5 unit tu. Mereka yang bagi tahu.
Yes. Dalam soalan dinyatakan. Kamu kena perhatikan betul-betul lah soalan tu berapa scale dia.
Baju.
So we multiply it by 5, then we get 30 units. Jangan kamu jawab 6 Kalau kamu jawab 6, so wrong answer lah. Distance between P and Q is 6. So it is totally wrong answer. Definitely wrong answer because you tak multiply it with the scale.
Understand teacher. Fine.
Okay, very good.
Understand, teacher.